Welcome to Chart of the Day. I'm Robert Folsom. U.S. Treasury bonds, a sentiment reversal from mid-December. We're talking about a reversal in sentiment in 30-year U.S. Treasury bond futures. This price chart of T-bond futures covers the period beginning in 2013. Note that from this July 2016 peak, prices have trended mostly lower. As for sentiment, we see it unfolding in the commitment of traders data, namely the net long versus short contracts among two groups of bond futures traders. Large speculators in blue, mostly trend followers, they tend to be on the wrong side of major turns, and commercials or insiders are in red. At a glance, you see that these two trader groups are habitually on opposite sides of the market. In particular, the sentiment reversal since December is plain to see in the recent sentiment readings for large specs and for commercials. Here, in December, optimism reached a record high among large specs. Again, it is notable that this optimism came at a lower high than the optimism at this higher high in July 2016. Of course, commercials at that time in December reflected basically the mirror opposite sentiment. And in turn, as T-bond futures prices have accelerated the decline that began at this peak last September, a conspicuous and important reversal in sentiment in both trader groups has followed. The most telling fact about the sentiment reversal is it's 100% consistent with what the Elliott wave pattern points to at this juncture. Stay tuned. The fully labeled version of this chart published in the February 21st short-term update.